Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share someone's WhatsApp status. So using both WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, you'll be able to save nor share someone's WhatsApp status. To be able to do this, you want to go to the App Store on your device and in the search section, search for Save WhatsApp Status. Here you see the status saver. All of them perform basically the same function. You can select based on the highest rating and the numbers of downloads that it has. Download your preferred option and open the app. After installation, you see both image and video under your status for WhatsApp Business if a user is a WhatsApp Business user, and your saved files in this section. To save or share a status, tap on the status. You see repost in this section. When you tap on repost, this will open your contact, WhatsApp contact, and you'll be able to share to your status, private messages, and group chats. When you tap on save, it will be saved to your phone storage. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.